Why did you ask for a drug test before the debate? What prompted that with you and Joe Biden?
Because I watched Biden in the previous debates, and he was horrible. And I watched him in the Bernie debate, and he was normal. He wasn't Winston Churchill, but he was normal.
Why the drug test? What do you think he's on?
I'll tell you, well, he's on some kind of an enhancement, in my opinion. And I say we should both. I should take a drug test, so should he. Because we don't want to have a situation where a guy is taking some kind of a...
It's like athletes, like a...
No, he should take... I want to take one. I'll take one. He'll take one. We should both take a drug test. Patriots see a nation and its destiny in ways no one else can. A faceless bureaucracy operates in secret and weakens democratic rule. Sovereignty is only secured. Democracy is only sustained